Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. And yes, I was just really tuning in for the past weeks, like a month now, almost a month, yeah. I was traveling around just around here in the UK, and I had discovered lovely places. Yes, I went to a wild park where I met my spirit animals, and it was an amazing experience. And I met and had spoken to lovely souls as well on my travels. And recently, just a weekend, I went to the Mind, Body, and Spirit Festival here in London. Yes, it's a well-being festival that is being held every year since 1977, and it was amazing experience. I had my aura image there, and it was just fiery. Yes, and also it's just an amazing experience to be with tribes to raise the vibration of the planet Earth, because as we heal ourselves, he also generates healing in the collective, in the world as a whole. So I just guided to do a reading, energy check today, and let's see what messages will come out. Now, I just the other day, I know, I think we can see this energy that people are like, we can relate to when we had our first, awakenings. Like, I had this I have this friend, and then the other day he was telling me he's been questioning a lot of things in the universe, questioning in such a way that he senses that there is really more than what we can see. And also, I didn't told him anything about the things I do outside from the work, like, do energy reading. And because this is what my soul is telling me to do. And it's just that I'm just doing personal readings for the past days, and then he suddenly asked me, "Do you have tarot cards?" And I was like, "Yes, I have. Why do you ask?" I said, like, he's been watching tarot readings, and he's really curious. And so I told him, like, yeah, if you want, he can bring them the following day. So the following day, he he opened up to me, and then yeah, I did his energy reading, and he was amazed that I really prefer not to ask what your intention is whenever I do like energy reading, because that also amazed me, whatever will come out in the reading. So he said, yeah, his questions were answered because he had this he lost his sister last year, and he wasn't able to go back home because of the thing that was going on in the world. So he said that he still need healing from that, proper grieving. And then he recognized it, like, like I told him, these are just confirmations, the cards are just confirmations, but our soul already knows. Yes, but it helps to open up and have you know proper guidance that also resonates. Yeah, so just check, because we just recently had the full moon or the pink moon. It was lovely. I i'm so blessed that I can just see it outside my window. And on that full moon night, at dawn time, I was awakened by this bright light outside my window. It was the moon, like, shining, facing me. It was a bit orangey, like a sun. And then the following night, it was still shining brightly, and woke up again. Dawn time, it was just shining to me. So now let's proceed in. Okay, let's just tune in first and have that intention, in send that healing love to ourselves. That's what I've reminded as well when I went to the well-being festival, about self-love. Okay, that's it. I don't know if you can hear the birds outside, but it's just really nice that, I'm so blessed and thankful that even if I live here in the central London, I can still see the birds outside. And even seagulls are coming here, so it's just amazing. Oh, look what's left on the table. The moon. Yeah, just said the full moon. So reshuffled the cards and did my morning meditation and prayers as well. So been doing more of my soul journey. I think it's leveling up in such a way that a lot of things have opened up, like, signs and synchronicities and things I'm doing for my soul growth, because I know that it doesn't only, like, it benefits me in my own healing and growing, and also to others as well, just like my recent experience. So let's get in. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Okay, that's our past energies as I'm told, so let's get to the present energy. Oh, it's reversed. Let's get to the present energy now. So that's it. Okay. Any more want to come out? Oh. Okay. It's so amazing because yeah. So it's amazing because when I use this card, I saw the Hangman came out first. So I'm told that these four sets of cards are past energies. So the Hangman, just take it as how it resonates. As what I'm getting here is that I think it's just a reminder that no matter how busy you are in your day-to-day life, you have to take a pause, like literally. Taking a pause means to contemplate, meditate, and integrate what you have been what you have been learning or discovering these days. And I think there's also this talking about that something is being on hold for a moment, and but with that comes the enlightenment. Look at the sun there. Yeah, comes the enlightenment and growth as well. See the leaves here there. So it's just really in time for the spring season now here in the UK, and the sun is shining, and you can see blooming trees as well, and there's healing when you take time to tune within. Yes, and yeah, it's just get in tune with your emotional part of you, and release whatever emotion is coming up, because that's what happened as well, like related to just taking time out for yourself and feel every emotion that comes up in order to be released. Like here, I think there was holding on to certain things that you're used to, but you have to release it, because just holding that coin in there, for example, just holding that coin, it doesn't grow. So it's in the law, one of the law of success or in the universe, like the law of giving, and the law of letting the abundance flow, the law of giving and receiving. So I think you just have to be reminded that stop holding on to things, or it could be anything that you can relate that you're still holding on to, that needs to be released, because it's not healthy for you emotionally, it's not healthy for your soul as well. This Hangman flipped, and suddenly it's that, yeah, it's time to stop really stop doing a lot of overthinking, because too much in a hangman mode is not good. I would say it's not beneficial. Yes, and imagine a car. If that car is just there, can you go anywhere? No, definitely no. So yeah, like if you tired of driving, yeah, you can pull over on the road and rest, but you still have to move. Like, example, you need to go home, or you need to go to work, or anywhere you want to go. You have to drive it, just like how you drive your life. You're the driver of your life. Be on the driver's seat. Don't let anyone tell you what to do, where to go. You have your soul, your compass within, and ask for divine guidance from God, whoever you believe that's guiding you. And yeah, the moon. So I think these emotions I really felt during the full moon, just very recent. And the full moon energy can be felt like 3 days before and 3 days after. So I'm told that these are all past energies, and the present energies are this: Eight of Cups in reverse. So yeah, you're not walking away from what needs to be dealt with. You're ready to face it. It could be face your own emotions, which you have done, so you're not running away from it. And also you're it's just sorry it's just like a yeah you are now facing and acknowledging your emotion, and now you are, it could be also ready to face someone that you need to face, like talked like in person. It's so different when you talk to someone in person. And I think this is more of, is someone in your or energy, or trying to really get your attention, or it could be you. So just apply it as how it resonates to your situation. So yeah, you stop walking away, and with the Chariot, you're moving. You're taking charge of your life now, and moving to your Empress. I'm getting this now it's now like pointing us to like a love situation here. But yeah, again, take it as how it resonates to you. It could be taking charge, being the Empress, like in your life. And just really, there's really a strong masculine energy here. Really gaining that strength and courage to move forward to this very abundant Empress. Look at that. So, oh, look at that direction. They're looking at each other. It's so beautiful. Yes. So and there's like balance, gaining balance. This masculine energy is gaining balance. And if you're seeing 7, I've been seeing a lot 7. So there's really divinely guided and divinely protected. Can sense the galactic family in here as well. And yeah, very angelically protected and guided. Presence of Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, your ancestors, and just guided to go to this very blooming, abundant Empress. Like, look, the red dress here, very passionate about life. And yes, that passionate love. Look at there's really a lot of transformation with this feminine energy. And I think mostly you who are tuning in here, you have done a lot of soul healing and soul growth. And look at these two chicks in here. Yes, they're just there, looking so like sitting pretty and just enjoying your abundance, your content. And there it comes, because I think you intuitively know this, that you're sensing this masculine energy has this deep feeling for you, and you're just there, that this time has finally come for him to open up and to face you like this. So yeah, that is so beautiful. And we have additional messages here. So your patience has paid off. And yes, there's this angelic guidance and protection in there again. And the happiest sunflower. Oh, look at my sunflower at the back. Yes, yes, that's it. And also here, yeah. So yeah. Oh my goodness. It's the 19th. It's the 19th of April today. Oh wow. Like I have this like let me oh this I put this thing here in my belly. Yeah, it's every day. It's a gift from God. So yeah, it's the 19th today. I've been seeing a lot of 19 yesterday. And that reminds me, a month from now, exactly a month from now, will be my birthday. Yes, the 19th of May. So it's really significant for me, this number. And look at this very sunny vibes. And look at that hint of red. I think there's a Native American, like shamanic energy in here as well. Like can be a healer, and you're just radiating that love and light. And like, look at the red in here again. Yes. Yeah, a really bright. At present, you are embodying this love and light, and it's just attracting not only this masculine energy to take the action before you are taken away by others. So because you're just beaming with so much love and light, and it's attracting as well, like you're a magnet, you're so magnetic, like attracting all this abundance in many shapes and forms. Okay, let's use the guided to get one from Monology card. Or shall we get, can we get, I don't know if we can get one from here, or shall I use another deck of cards? One more. Okay. 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 Oh wow. The end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn. Yes. Like I said, you had gone through a lot, and it's life is not meant to be like struggles all the time. So you're now rewarded for all that hard work that you've been doing. And full moon in Libra, which we just had. Yes. Oh, thank you. This is just amazing. So it's here. A win-win outcome is forecast. So yeah, you're winning in such a way that it's just amazing how this really comes out. Like today is the 19th, and this one, the recent full moon in Libra. So yeah, that's how my divine team, God, angels, ancestors are really giving these messages to you as well. And let's get the Work Your Light Oracle. Oh, that's the meaning. Let's just get one, please. Just one, because I want us to focus on message. It's just really something about light, transformation, and oh wow, just amazing. Break the chain, ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. So I was just talking about the ancestors. They are also guiding us to heal our family lineage and to create a healed lineage for now and for the future generations. And this is amazing. I got this card on top of the deck before I shuffled it, and it says Anna, grandmother of Jesus. So yeah, we just had the Easter Sunday, reminding us of Jesus, of how he has embodied the father, his father God, and he's doing his mission and reminding us that about beginnings, about new beginnings, and embodying that Christ consciousness, seeding the light, laying foundations, divine plan. Yeah, this connection is divinely planned. It's a divine plan. Everything you had gone through up to this time, like now, it's for time for you to be rewarded, like when you're doing things, and then yeah, after you have accomplished so much, you're rewarded of your soul's desires, and that's already in the divine's plan. And here, oh wow, just take this extra message. Star Mother, how can you mother yourself? So just reminding you of, like I said, self-love. So Anna, she's this, and then the Star Mother comes together. And yes, just say yes. What comes into my mind first, that when someone's proposing to you, like when you marry and you said yes, so I think you're saying yes to life. And with the masculine and feminine energy present within this reading, so there's this possibility as well that I'm sensing that there's a proposal coming to you, and you're just guided to say yes. Yes, you have free will. I think it's something that you've been waiting, but you're not really waiting, like not doing anything. You're just letting it happen, and come to you. And look at this shapes here, just like my pyramid here. Yeah, with the angel. I bought this from Canterbury Cathedral souvenir shop. Yes, so just looks similar. Yeah, it's just beautiful. And this is to show you that you are just really divinely protected and guided. It's just amazing. Oh, that's 20 to 22. Yeah, I haven't seen that number, so it might be significant to you. This one, just light healing energy oracle. What can we get? Okay, just get one message to focus on. This very long card. Okay, that flips out. Okay, let's get to generous. Give us to success. I grow and thrive in the universe. I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me toward victory. I direct my thoughts toward clarity and nurture wisdom, love, and goodness within me. I am free now, and I succeed in my life. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this win-win situation here. Yeah, success, and yes, and listen to life. I am attentive to the world around me. Signs and symbols guide me to success. I listen and discover the way to the eternal. Oh wow, just remind me of the movie Eternals. Success, success twice, in just how all of these are really so synchronized. So it's beautiful messages today. Yeah. Oh, let's get some charms. Look here. Owl. Owl is, the wisdom, owl, and a dove. Yes, that's so cute. So it's just reminding us of the wisdom here. Mention about wisdom and having that peace within. as well. This is just so beautiful. Thank you all so much for being here. I'm sending you so much love, light, peace, and blessings. Namaste. God bless. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.